Здравствуйте! Как дела? So today we are going to practice the fun exercise about pronouns. So for saying I, you have to say in Russian, so it sounds like opposite. Я, я. Okay, so you just point to yourself and say я. Okay, so then you point to me or to your friend and say ты, ты, я, ты. Okay, now я, ты, я, ты. And remember, ты is informal, okay? Я, ты. So now for he, it will be он, он. For she will be она, она. So if you don't have your siblings, please put a bunch of toys around you, okay? So for they, we are going to use my friends. Они. Please repeat after me. Они. Они. So the written form will be они. So, but you have to say они. So no clear in Russian. So if it's not stress in Russian, so no clear, okay? So, and when we say вы, which is polite form, formal form, so we are going to bow down like this. So you say вы, you're formal, you're polite to me, and you say вы, okay? So, and when we say we, so we are, so I want we hold our hands with our friends, so it's we, мы, okay? Okay, now let's start playing. Я, ты, он, она, мы, вы, они. Okay, one more time. Я, ты, он, она, мы, вы, они. So, okay, let's do it. Tomorrow we are going to play this game and I'm going to trick you. Okay, пока!